Right now, most professionals are treating artificial intelligence like a universal multi-tool. You open a single chat window, type in a complex problem, and expect a masterpiece. But applying a basic utility blade to an intricate task eventually snaps under the pressure. That single chat window, the generalist AI, offers extreme convenience. However, when you rely on it for specialized, high-stakes work, it produces generic outputs and fabricated facts that take you longer to verify than if you had done the work yourself. This chart plots the core AI trade-off. The horizontal axis is setup friction. The vertical is output quality. Everyday chat AI sits bottom left. Zero friction, but low reliability. High-fidelity specialized AI lives top right. They require a steeper learning curve, but actually deliver reliable results. To gain time back in your week, you have to stop looking for the best overall AI. Instead, you need to isolate the specific cognitive bottleneck in your day and apply the exact tool built to break it. We are going to run your daily tasks through this diagnostic decision tree. We start here at the center. Identify your bottleneck. From here, we will route your specific pain point to the correct free tool. A specialized AI stack functions like a targeted scalpel, surgically removing the exact friction points currently slowing you down. The first major branch on our diagnostic tree is information gathering. If your workflow involves live research, you likely waste hours falling down 10-tab rabbit holes, manually reading and cross-referencing articles just to find an academic consensus. The strict solution for this live fact-hunting is Perplexity AI. Perplexity operates as a research engine that reads the live internet for you. It synthesizes data into a direct answer and attaches a clickable, numbered citation to every claim, allowing you to verify the source instantly. The trade-off here is rigidity. Because Perplexity is engineered to strictly source factual data, it is a poor tool for creative ideation or open-ended brainstorming. That brings us to our second information bottleneck, data synthesis. Sometimes your problem isn't finding facts on the internet, but extracting insights from 100-page PDFs or raw research files. General chatbots frequently lose their place in massive documents or blend outside information into your proprietary data. For confined data analysis, your dedicated solution is Google's NotebookLM. You upload your specific documents into NotebookLM, and it becomes an expert strictly on that text. It generates accurate summaries and can even create a podcast-style audio discussion between two AI hosts explaining your specific upload. The trade-off is setup time. You get zero hallucination risk, but you must invest the upfront effort to gather, format, and organize your documents before the tool can provide value. Utilizing specialized AI for research and reading prevents the hidden time tax of double-checking a general chatbot's fabricated facts. Let's move to the next major path on our diagnostic tree, output generation. The first obstacle here is the logic bottleneck. This occurs when you need nuanced, multi-step reasoning for a complex business strategy or a career decision, rather than a surface-level summary. For cognitive heavy lifting, the superior engine is Claude by Anthropic. Claude processes massive context windows, allowing you to paste in an entire contract or a lengthy email thread. It provides a structured breakdown that weighs multiple angles and reasons through the decision step by step. The trade-off is the effort required. To extract these logical breakdowns, you must write precise, articulate prompts rather than simple one-sentence commands. Once the logic is solved, we branch off into our next bottleneck, formatting and layout. This is the friction of building presentations. Most people burn 2 hours aligning text boxes and choosing fonts before they even add their final content. Gamma is the specialized solution for rapid formatting. Providing Gamma with a basic text outline generates a fully designed, structured presentation deck in under 60 seconds. The visuals, the layout, and the slide structure are handled automatically. The trade-off is that while Gamma saves hours on visual layout, the AI-generated text is often generic. You still need to manually edit the copy to ensure it sounds professional. Separating the thinking phase in Claude from the formatting phase in Gamma yields a higher quality final product in a fraction of the time. Finally, our workflow diagnostic tree reaches its last branch, visual production. Historically, creating professional video content required expensive software and years of technical training just to understand the interface. Runway ML functions as an automation tool that circumvents traditional editing software. It instantly strips away complex physical backgrounds, cleanly isolating the subject for you. You upload raw footage to achieve studio-grade effects, like automated motion and background replacement, without requiring manual editing skills. While Runway makes professional effects accessible, the advanced features carry a steep learning curve, and the free tier heavily restricts your generation limits. These tools eliminate the budget and software barriers for everyday creators, even if they aren't fully replacing professional editors yet. Avoid the temptation to adopt all 5 of these tools today. Attempting to learn 5 new interfaces at once will disrupt your routine and decrease your actual productivity. Instead, use this matrix to match your professional profile to a targeted tool stack. If you are a time-poor generalist who needs fast answers and quick deliverables, adopt Perplexity for research and Gamma for presentations. Ignore the rest to maximize your immediate speed. If you are a deep analyst handling complex data, invest the setup time for NotebookLM and Claude. These tools guarantee the high-fidelity, accurate outputs your role demands. If you are a visual optimizer, prioritize your free usage credits entirely on Runway ML to offset your production budget. Look at your schedule for the upcoming week and identify the single most time-consuming, frustrating task on your calendar. Adopt only the one tool from this list that targets that specific bottleneck and ignore the hype surrounding everything else. Productive professionals in 2026 are those who strategically deploy specialized tools to solve specific friction, rather than those who simply collect the most AI apps.